Hello and welcome to Randy and Candy. Hey, this is a work with me video, so you should have your paper and pencil in front of you and you should be ready to copy down this problem as we work through it together. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Randy and Candy love to play. They are a couple of thoroughbred racehorses. Randy and Candy are predicted to win the Kentucky Derby when they grow up. That's a big deal, my friends. Hey, last Tuesday they spent 9.69 hours running, jumping, and frolicking through the pasture. That's 9 and 69 100ths hours doing all that running, jumping, and playing and frolicking in the pasture, right? Alrighty, and along comes a television news reporter and he films 0.037 of the time that they were playing. In other words, he filmed 37 1,000ths of the time that they were playing for these 9 hours and 69 hundredths of an hour, right? So your problem is to figure out how many hours was Randy and Candy's news report. Simple, right? All you have to do is multiply 9.69 times 0.037. Bam! Alrighty, so the very first thing I would like you to do is go ahead and write your counting by the numbers down for your threes and your sevens, because we're going to take the smaller number here and we don't have to worry about the zero here, so there's only really 2 digits here that we've got to be concerned with. So write your counting by the numbers down for threes and sevens. I will wait for you, my friend. Superb. Next, you're going to take this 9.69 and you're going to plug it right up on top. So 9.69 gets plugged right up on top. Go ahead, copy that. I will wait for you. Superb. All right, so now you're going to write 2 area boxes, one for the threes and one for the sevens here, right? So let's go ahead and make a little bit more room. And then I'm going to grab my first area box and I'm going to plug it in right below the 9.69, and I'm going to grab another area box and plug it in right below that one, right? And then we'll move it so it fits better. And then I'm going to actually make this a little bigger so I have a little bit more room to work. Actually, I need it over here. So go ahead, pause the video, and copy these 2 boxes down. I'll wait for you. Superb. All right, so now you're going to take the first box here and you're going to put 0.007 in the top one. So let's go ahead and do that. And we're going to write 0.007 in the top box. And then we're going to come back here, and for this second box down here, we're going to write 0.030, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. And we got 0.03 and then a 0 there. And now that's going to get you all set up so that you can use your area multiplication to fill in this box and this box. And I will wait for you while you get this all. Whoa, hey, come back here. These is like the horses are running away, trying to get away from me. Get this all written. I'll wait for you. Superb. All right, so now we're going to start with the multiplication of this area box right here. And we're going to take 7 times 9. So I'm going to come up here to my sevens and go 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 63. I'm going to drop my 3 and carry my 6. I'm going to get a little bit more room here, though. So drop my 3 and carry my 6 right up there. Super. Next, I'm going to go 7 times 6. Well, I'm going to come up here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to give me 42. Plus this 6 here will give me 48. So I'm going to drop my 8 and carry my 4. And next, I'm going to go 7 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 63. Plus 4 is going to give me 67. So I'm going to drop the 7 and the 6. And now I'm all done with this area box right here. And what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and pause the video and get this all copied. Make sure you have these numbers up here circled as well. I will wait for you. Superb. And here we go. We're going to go with the this area box here. And the first thing I need to do is multiply the 0. So I'm going to take the 0 here, multiply it by 9.69, and you're going to get 0 because anything times 0 is going to give you 0. Now you can also think of it as a place value holder for this column here, which is the thousands column, right? And that's keeping that nice in line there. Next, I'm going to move over to the 3 here, and I'm going to just go 3 times 9. So I'm going to come up here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And that's going to give me 27. I'll drop the 7 and carry the 2. Drop my 7, carry my 2 right there. Superb, my friend. Next, 3 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give me 18. Plus this 2 will give me 20. So I'll drop the 0 and carry the 2 right up there. And next, I've got my last one, 3 times 9, and 9 places once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 27, plus this 2 will give me 29. So I'm going to drop the 9 and the 2, and now I am all done with all my multiplication. What I'd like you to do right now is pause the video and get this area box all copied. I will wait for you, my friend. Superb! And now all I have to do is add these bad boys, and I'm going to do that right now. So let's go ahead and move this up a teeny bit, and we get, let's see, right here, I got 3 and 0. Well, that's going to give me 3, right? And then I've got 8 and 7, which will give me 15. I'm going to drop my 5 and carry my 1 right up there. Next, I've got 1 plus 7, which is going to give me 8, right? Because you don't worry about that 0. And then I'm going to come over here and go 6 plus 9 is going to give me 15. I'm going to drop the 5 and carry the 1 right up there. And next I've got 1 plus 2 is going to give me 3. And I'm going to drop the 3 right there. Now, we're not done, but what I'd like you to do right now is pause the video and get the addition all copied. And I will wait for you, my friend. Superb. And here we go. Now the next thing we're going to do is count our loopy-doops. And remember, I use the word loopy-doop just because it's goofy enough that you'll remember it when you're on your own. So a couple of things to remember. You're always going to start here over on the far right for both of the top numbers. This top number and this top number, okay? And then you're going to grab a pencil. I like to use red, right? So I'm going to grab my red pencil and I'm going to just go 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doops gets me to the decimal, and then 3 loopy-doop, 4 loopy-doop, and 5 loopy-doops gets me to the decimal, right? So now you're going to start here at the back end on the far right of this number here, and you're going to count 5 loopy-doops because remember you've got 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop, 3 loopy-doop, 4 loopy-doop, 5 loopy-doops. So I'm going to do it that right now. I'm going to count 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop, 3 loopy-doop, 4 loopy-doop, and 5 loopy-doop, and that's right where my decimal is going to go. So I'm going to put my decimal there and just get a 0 in front of it, and then bam, right there you have it. That is your answer. Now, so it is 0.35853, or if you set it as a fraction, you would say 35,853, and then you're going to go, this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, and 100,000ths, right? So if I was going to write it, I would write it like this right here. 35,853 100,000ths, okay? And that is how many hours the actual news clip was of Randy and Candy frolicking and playing, right? So what I'd like you to do right now is go ahead and pause the video, get this all copied, and go ahead and copy that as well, because it's good for you. Hey, until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.